Hello, hello. This is Sharif or Just Nailed It. Welcome back to my 6 days of Christmas. We are down to the last 2 days, the last 2 designs. Today I am doing the snowman. So I hope you'll stick around, give it a full view. Tell me what you think at the end. On the nail, I have got this beautiful, beautiful blue color. It is, let me find it. It's called Magic Blue. Here we go. And this is a gorgeous, gorgeous blue color. Oops. Did you get all over the place? I love this color. So to me, this is going to represent like the night sky. Excuse me. I've got my dotting tool. Evidently I need a lot more paint. We are going to be using the white by P&D. I guess my practice nail took up a lot more than what I thought. I'm trying to build him in layers so he's real full and fluffy. Plus I want a nice size Santa, listen to me. A nice size snowman. So what I'm gonna do is kind of map them out. Exactly a circle. You wait for this to self-level for a minute. Well, that would make a cool snow globe like that. We'll save that for next year. Okay, I've already got my 6 picked out. So I'm going to cure this, and I will be right back. Alright, we are back. I put another layer on off camera and cured it for a full 60. At this point, oh, I do have to do a scarf on him, don't I? Hello. Oh, I should do a hat. I don't know if I can muster a hat. Not sure. I don't know. Okay. Let's see. This I didn't practice. I don't even know if you see it. Okay. Oh, the scarf fell off. That's what started this, wasn't it? Gonna load my brush up with some red paint. The same red I've been using throughout this. These are all Modelones products except the white. It's by P&D. And here I go again, being really quiet because I'm concentrating, so just so you know. And there go my dogs. Let me pause this, I'll be right back. Alright, we are back. Sorry about that. I am now going to use the Shimon and glue gel on the snowman, because we're going to add some shimmering sparkle. There we go. I'm going to flash cure this. And we are going to be using, if I can not spill anything, some blue-green fairy translucent powder. If I can get this out. Alright, we're going to get our brush and we are going to dab, dab, dab. Just to give them a little bit of sparkle. Sorry about that. Okay. Let's set that off to the side now. I'm going to top coat so we can add some bling, some black stones, I should say. I guess it's still bling. I'm just going to float this over. And get my wax picker over here. And of course, they're not going to come off. They never want to come off for me. There's one. Two. Oh shoot. I forgot something, didn't I? Yes, I forgot something. So you're gonna call me out on it now in the comments? He's gonna have to have a red nose because I don't have the orange. I don't have an orange color. There. I think you turned out pretty cute. Pretty cute for a snowman. I'm gonna pop him in and I'll be right back. Alright, we are back. Our Manny is complete. Our little snowman is done. Ding! Saved by the bell. Well, this concludes our video for tonight. We've got one more design left. What will it be? What will it be? Stay tuned for tomorrow and you will see. Have a blessed day. Thank you.